Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
The 7 steps to using a microscope effectively are: 1. Connect the microscope to a power source, if it's electric, and turn on the illuminator. 2. Place a slide on the stage and secure it using the stage clips. 3. Select the lowest magnification objective lens to start with. 4. Use the coarse focus knob to bring the object into general focus. 5. Fine-tune the focus with the fine adjustment knob for a clear image. 6. Adjust the diaphragm or condenser to regulate the amount of light on the specimen. 7. Carefully switch to higher magnifications if needed, repeating the focusing adjustments for each objective lens used.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.